Art delights us, but how so and why? Art brings pleasure, but is art also more? Art in all its forms, music, painting, dance, literature. What sorts of discoveries can art facilitate? Can art provide insight into consciousness, creativity, human uniqueness, meaning, religion, realities beyond the physical, God? Can art be modes of discovery and creation that enhance understanding? Closer to Truth travels to Nassau, the Bahamas, and to Grand Rapids, Michigan, to attend 2 private workshops, Art Seeking Understanding. Gathered here are experts in philosophy, cognitive psychology, neuroscience, theology, religion, history. We probe, we question. What happens in the brain when we appreciate art, when we create art? By studying how art affects the brain, can we learn how the brain works? By studying the brain, can we better understand how art works? Looking longer, could art enlarge our sense of reality? Could art provide deep understanding, the special kind of understanding for approaching meaning or purpose or God? Closer to Truth explores these topics and more in a special 10-episode season on Art Seeking Understanding.